I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're here with RPG Show hair again. Now this, when you talk about top tier, this hair company right here, definitely top tier, okay? So all I've experienced from RPG Show over the couple years I've been working with them is quality. So I'm excited for today's package. They always take such pride in their packaging as well. It gives you that feel like you're opening designer, you know? I don't know. But these are what I got in the package. I got this bag where you can store the wig. I got a wig cap. I didn't get much. But yeah, that's what I got. Simple classic packaging. This is the wig we're working with today. Today's wig is a straight texture. And oh my gosh, the lace, it's that nice tinted transparent Swiss lace. Oh, listen, top tier. So right off the bat I get so excited for this, and as you can see, it's highlighted as well. The cap construction, it is a medium cap. It has 3 combs inside, adjustable straps, and an extra elastic band if you need extra security. The density on this wig is amazing. It was 200%. Okay, so you know it's very full, and it just feels so good. I love it. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig as usual in my description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. So I jumped into installing this, and I decided that I want to wear this wig for a couple days. So today's install, I'm going to be using glue, but I'm not going to be doing any baby hairs. Okay, that's the vibe I'm going for. You see how beautiful the hairline is? It's beautifully plucked, pre-plucked. So this is exactly how you get it in a package. I didn't have to go in and do any work, like extra work on this wig. So yeah, definitely recommend it if you want something to wear straight out of the package. So I wanted initially to do 4 layers of today's glue, but I didn't. I just went ahead and did 2. Like with each layer, when you apply each layer, you allow it to dry down to like a clear state. If you go ahead and apply your lace to the glue while it's still white, honey, it will not look good. You don't want that.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola.
So you see like how it dried down clear there before I went back in with a second layer. That's exactly what you need to do. You can go ahead and put on more layers if you wish. I honestly didn't have the patience, so I only did 2 today, and yeah.
I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a top popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
So once I'm done with that, I pretty much just pull my lace over that, hold it in place until I feel like it's secure enough to let it go. I use my comb to further press the lace into that glue, ensuring that it's sticking really good. And you can use your blow dryer on cool, well, I usually use my blow dryer on cool air to just speed up the process of that, get it really nice and laid. And the thing with the Swiss lace, as you guys know, it's a thin lace, like it's like the thinnest out of all the laces, you know, so it's really easy to blend in and just look very undetectable. I then go in with my elastic band to just press in everything even more, making it look so nice and melted. And then I proceeded to start like cutting away the excess lace. Took my time to do this, and with each section, if I felt like there was any portion that needed a little bit more adhesive, I went back in, and then I came up into the camera to show you how good the hairline looks. Amazing, right? It's really gorgeous. So all I really ended up doing was my sideburns, and I was still showing you guys the hairline here, but all I really ended up doing was my sideburns. I did not do any swoops today whatsoever for my edges, and I took my wax stick and I actually went in with my hot comb and just pulled everything back with that.
see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. Tell my truck poppin', pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a truck poppin', pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
Once I was done with all of that, I took my flat iron and I started to just straighten the hair, get it really nice and bone straight. It was really easy to straighten because it is a straight texture, so it really wasn't a hassle. And I just, you know, took my time, went over each section. It was really, really amazing with the movement. The luster is it's a very nice natural sheen. The thickness of this hair feels so good. You just know like that it's of great quality. And as I said, it's very minimal shedding, very minimal shedding. So that was a plus. Also, one thing I want to point out, guys, even though I'm now straightening the hair, I didn't have to use any makeup apart from the parting to like further, you know, make the parting look more precise. In terms of like the lace portion and blending it in and melting it, I didn't have to use any makeup to make it look, you know, good or natural. So I think that was amazing as well.
Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a truck poppin', pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
I'm all done with installing this wig. It is so realistic looking. I didn't have to use any makeup to camouflage this at all, okay? So it gets a complete 10 out of 10 from me. Yes, I did use glue because I'm gonna have this on for the next couple of days. It is so nice. RPG Show, really and truly, they don't disappoint. They really don't. You want top quality? RPG Show, they have that. This wig is that. Okay, and the fullness is, you see this? Straight to the tip. I didn't have to cut it or anything. This is exactly how it comes. It's 20 inches long, but it really feels like 22. It is very full. It's very consistent with the fullness. It is a 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend. Shedding minimal. I'm not even getting any strands out of the hair right now. So 2 thumbs up for that. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this gorgeous wig in my description box as usual. So go ahead and check that out. Also, the direct link will be down there. Like, look at that movement. Beautiful. So shout out to RPG here for that. They are top notch. I love the little highlights too in there. You know, it's really nice, fall appropriate. That's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're interested, as I said, just check out my description box. And don't forget to check out my blog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself.